Easy healthy Sabudana Kheer. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making healthy Sago dessert. Easy on the stomach, light, gluten-free, and super easy to digest. Great for a sensitive tummy. Five tablespoons sabudana. Half glass of water soaked 30 minutes. Half liter milk. 2 tablespoons sugar. Mix well. Do cardamom. Add cardamom seeds. Mix well. Now add the sabudana, and after adding the sabudana, cook it well for 5 to 6 minutes continuously. Supports muscle growth, contains a good amount of protein to help with muscle repair and strength. Regulates blood pressure, packed with potassium, which helps keep your heart healthy and blood pressure in check. Improves bone health, contains calcium and magnesium, making your bones and joints stronger. This dessert healthy for children. Helps in healthy weight gain, a simple, healthy way to add clean calories if you're looking to gain weight. If you like my recipes, please subscribe, like my channel.